All right, feels like it's been a while. We're back at the outlets out in Torrance. Nice little community store. Kind of, sort of, but pretty much. See some tags. See quite a lot of red tags in the apparel section. Of course, we got to start with the back wall where you get 30% off. Starting with the size 9, 9.5. Jordan 1 low. OGs right here. Do got, called them the Niners colorway because I did grab these for my Niners gear. 110, you get that 30 off, well under $100. Of course, if you guys follow my channel, y'all been seeing that at Shoe Palace, right? Isn't this a women's? Isn't this a women's? For some reason I think this is a women's. Yeah, women's 120 size 9. Sabrina's right here, cheapest. We've seen these $90. That is the extended size pricing, so they did do that because these are so small, pretty much grade school. Size 10, 130 for Jordan 2s. Seen a few of these 7s now, 160 for these. More of the size 10s, 125. 150 for the Blazers. Like Blazer platforms or something though. 9.5 right here. I did see these. Did someone do a switcheroo or did they just put it in the wrong box? Because it's supposed to be some Dunk High Nike by Use. Trying to find some 9.5 shoes for my kiddo. Not really finding anything here. I've been in this whole area the whole time. I found size 7 all the way to size 10s. Just things are just everywhere. Zoom Free 5s going for 85. These were lower maybe. He just likes very neutral colors, black, white, gray, stuff that he could wear with almost anything. These might do, but 85 is a little steep even with 30% off. Seen them for as low as $40, so I'm not pulling the trigger unless it goes really low. Take 1.5s, $100 for these. In the smaller size right here, look, size 12. Waffles right here. Do you got the waffle dunk lows, 125. Size 10.5, 140 for these right here. He does have one of these, 120 for these. These are size 8. Size 6 men's right here. The acronym Blazers go for 40. Remember, you do get that extra 20 off. 90 for the GT cut. 2s right here. And then do got the Ja Morants right here, 120. 120 for those, 110 for these. Oh, and then they got another one right here for 120 as well. We'll get back to the clearance sneakers, but did have to check out some of the clearance apparel. $48. Damn, dude, really? See if they have any off-season stuff right here. Damn, 112 regular price. At least you get that 30 off. Materials like hella nice. Dry fit Jordans. Jordan Flight t-shirt, $24. It is a small. XXX Jordan shirt right here going for 40. Nike outlet apparel section's just been hella mediocre lately. That's just my opinion. XXL fleece jacket right here, $130. Regular price. I guess you get that 30 off, so you can't say regular price, but pretty much regular price. XL hoodie right here, extra dirty. And I guess that's why it's $40. What's the matching pants for those? Matching sweats? I think it is. These are going for $30. Weird cargo looking pants right here going for $70. Got some khaki looking pants right here going for $65. Jordan. Are these Jordan cargos? Jordan khaki? Jordan slacks? They're thicker than slacks. Hell of a nice material. $55. That's actually really nice. Cargo pants right here. ACGs. So you know that's not going to be cheap. ACG is rarely ever cheap. Yep. $197. Holy cow. Some Jordan like snow pants or something. What the hell? $79. $97. I think one little rack right here. Got a nice little puffy jacket. Poofy jacket. Go for $90. For $65. I don't know. What do y'all really think it was LeBron's fault that the Lakers were that bad? I thought Ham was so awful, but so many people were giving LeBron so much shit, and I'm like, He had a pretty freaking solid season. Like, I'm not like a LeBron lover, but I'm like, that fool had a pretty crazy season. I don't know how people were so rough on him. I don't know. I know so many of you guys were not fans of him because I heard a lot of y'all talking during the last playoff run. But it is what it is. Or during the current playoff run. 105 for that one. That's just hella high. 50 for this hoodie right here. This is a real heavy duty hoodie though. Yeah, at least you get 30 off. So 35 for that. That's actually not bad. One of the better deals. The same one shows $90. Yeah, I think that one might be mismarked. Holy crap. Yeah, but those were just in smalls. They got these thinner hoodies going for 40. That's about it. That's about it. Ooh, they got this tech fleece trench coat looking thing. It is $2. So $2, 30% off. Another poofy jacket right here. Go for $147. That's about it, man. All right, we're back along the back wall right here. The sidewall. I've seen quite a few of these sizes, so I think these just came out the aisles. So yeah, 150, 30% off. That's 105, not bad. Looks like these just came out the aisles as well. 125. That's the size 12. And then dude got some mids right here, 135. These are the Air Max 1s that have been going for so much money at most of the spots. Yeah, 170 and 30 off. Holy cow. Size 11 Jordan 1 mid craft right here, 120. Another one of these, 9.5, 108. Invincible Run 3s right here, go for 180. Vaporflies 260 for these. Jordan 2s, been seeing these at a ton of spots, $100. You can find the other side. But that's what I'm saying about the ones right there, right there. LeBron 21s right here. These go for 110. Another one of these in a size 8. Damn, I'm just realized I think I paid like $159 for mine. God dang it. Airspan 2s, $40, and then you get that extra 30 off. That comes out to hella cheap. That one's pretty clean. Another colorway right here, $85 for that one. Holy cow. Yo, that might be the cheapest we've ever seen these. Zion 3s, $50. Size 13. Holy cow. Holy cow. $50 and then 30% off. That's like $35. $35 for these. Looks like size 13 and up, the extended size everything, and they just dropped the price on everything. I just realized looks like size 12 and above, 11.5 and above. They ended up extended sizing a bunch of stuff. Okay. Yeah, the ACG locates going for 50. Air Max Solos, whatever the hell that is. Legend Essentials. Airspan 2s, some more right here. Okay. Jordan 1 mids. This is actually a pretty dope colorway. I haven't seen these too often in the retail shops because I think these ended up moving pretty quick. $190 for these. $190. I think someone screwed up. That's above retail price. What the hell? Yeah, the bigger sizes, they're getting rid of stuff. Infinity Run 4 is going for $120. Got the Jordan 1 white cement. Those are down to $100. But those are like size 17 or something. Take 1.5 going for $50. Pretty clean. No extended size pricing for the Jordan Retros though. No love for those because those are both size 12. Same as the smaller sizes. Is that the beginning of Janet Jackson, Rhythm Nation? How do I remember that from 30 years ago? Wow, dude got Nike Elite backpacks going for $60. You get an extra $30 off. That's the cheapest I've ever seen this. Holy crap. Holy crap. Wow, that is just hella cheap. And this is specifically for hoops. You can put your basketball in here and stuff. Easy access for shoes, basketball, stuff like that. Not really meant for books and stuff. But that's the cheapest I've seen these in a while. Wow. Do know a kid who plays hoops, but I think he needs things to match the color of his team. They do have a couple here. Pretty dope. That's the cheapest I've seen that in a while. Pretty excited to see that. And they got socks and stuff like that. Nothing too crazy. $15 you get that 30 off. These are SB socks right here. Oops, my bad. These are SB socks. Don't really see that too often. Men's 8 to 12. Normally $14. They're down to 13, and then you get another 30% off. A couple of them. And they got headbands and stuff down there. They got tech fleece right here. What's going on? Regular price though. At least you get 30 off, but decent colorway. I did mention that I did see a lot of red tags in the apparel section, so we're definitely gonna look at that. But graphic tees, I feel like they're always on sale. More tech fleece right here, $90. You should get an extra 30 off. If you're into wearing extra bright polos, $20, you get an extra 30 off. Holy cow. Also have regular colored polos right here. Oh, those are down to 22. Okay. And these are $80 for these sweats. Dry fit t-shirts, $35. You get an extra 40% off. So that's not too bad. Then running shorts, running shirts, more running stuff. This is tops only. $41 for these. We've seen these at Ross. If you guys need some of those, you do get an extra 20 off. Then more of the same right there. And more training gear right here. $55 for these running sweats, right? Running sweats. All right, let's see what's going on in the aisles over here. I feel like these just came out. I feel like they just came out. No. These are 2023 release. I thought they just came out. But yeah, $180 for the Jordan 1 highs. These definitely just came out. Got some Zoot Freak 5s right here. That's not a bad price. Got a couple more Zoot Freaks right here. Got this weird colorway. Red one right here. Then some of the usual suspects. Katie Trey 510s. Immortalities. This one going the wrong way. Why is this one going the wrong way? More Immortalities. Got Witnesses. Witness 7s. LeBron Next Gens right here. SB Alley Oops. 5 different colorways. Got the gum outsole on that one. Did I show this one earlier? And do got a Chicago colorway. Roshi's keep going down. $40 for that one. And 2017s. Hyper Cobalt. Deep Royal. Pure Platinum. Kukinis. Airspan 2s. Laser Blue. Do they even have any more of these? I think the last one. Oh, they have a few sizes right here. Air Force 1 highs. And then got some running shoes. Invincible Run 4s. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s. That's a pretty solid price right here. And some Metcons right here. Metcon 8s. Couple of them. Juniper Trail 2s. I think that's about it. Finally done with most of the moving, so do have access to most of my shoes, or easy access to most shoes. Did go with the Kobe Pro Tour 1s, dude. MPLS colorway. And then Lakers shorts and t-shirt. That's about it. I did check with the women's section right here. Since I am looking for stuff for my kiddo, not really seeing much in terms of running shoes. That fool just really loves running shoes. Comfortable running shoes. Not really seeing much though, to be honest. Checking the women's house. Do got a few blazers. And we'll see the prices go down on these. Every outlet seems to have a bunch of blazers. Platform versions. Platform Air Force 1s. Premium MFers right here. Some regular Air Force 1s. Air Max 2017s. Pure Platinum White Cool Gray. We're not going to talk about the pink? What the hell? 270s. Black and white. Mostly white. Air Max 90. Mostly canvas. Got some Roshis. And then a bunch of generics. Mostly generic shoes. Or generic running shoes in this area right here. Then some Pegasus. Pegs 38s go for way too much. What are these? The Pegasus Trail 4s go for still too much. Over 100. That's too much. But that's about it, dude. That's about it. A lot of Jordans in the aisles. That's pretty dope. Always glad to see Jordans at a discount. That's kind of why this channel started. And they got stuff, but nothing too crazy. First time I've been here in a while, so pretty dope. Starting to see some deals on backpacks now that school is over, even though this is more for basketball. But still a hell of a deal. SB socks pretty cheap, not bad.